Hello, this is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. Today is Tuesday, the 4th of December, 2007, and on Wall Street today we're looking at shares of Onyx Pharmaceutical, symbol ONXX. You can see here on this weekly time frame that the stock has had a tremendous run this year, and really the bulk of those gains came just since the stock broke out in September. So the stock broke out past some resistance here at about $35 a share. And if you draw a straight line right across from where that broke out, you could argue that this is a larger inverted head and shoulders pattern. And if that's the case, what you would look at to come up with a price objective is the height of that pattern, which we'll just call $10 a share, up to 35. That's a $25 inverted head and shoulders pattern. So to come up with a price objective, what you do is you add the height of the pattern to the breakout point, which is $35. So 35 plus 25 is $60 a share. So you can see that the stock hit its bullish objective from that pattern. Now it doesn't mean that there's really any magic or that you should put a lot of weight in that as far as a price objective goes. However, what's obvious to see here is that it just took 3 months to make that gain. So there's probably some kind of fundamental driver for that. But if you look at the history of this company, it's a very volatile stock. It has a history of making huge runs which fail very quickly. So I don't think that it makes any sense at all to be buying this stock up here when it's so far extended. And now we've got these moving averages crisscrossing, which indicates a little bit of indecision. That indecision is going to work itself out by either consolidating through time or by pulling back in price. And when it's this far extended in a pharmaceutical stock, if any piece of news hits this thing, it could be real trouble. I'm not suggesting there's anything here that indicates that would be the case. However, we still remain in a very high-risk environment overall, and I don't think it makes sense to be purchasing this stock. I think that if you're long, then you want to protect your gains. The best way to do that is to look at, the definition of an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. If it breaks a lower low, it would do so right around here at about 51.5, and that's where I'd suggest that you take profits if you are involved on the long side.